Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to save game progress in FIFA game. So let's get started. Begin by launching your FIFA game. Then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on Link Accounts option. You can save your game progress with Facebook or with Play Games. In this video, I'm gonna save my game progress with Facebook. Tap on it. Now tap on the Continue button. And this is how you can save your game progress in FIFA game. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.